Hey guys, check this out. Got the old E Revo. Gonna take her out tomorrow with the Max and the Rustler. This is the old Rustler. Started off with a $50 roller. It's got everything. Totally built up. It's got a Sabox steering servo, Indigy skis, sandpaw tires. It's got a Castle Creation Sidewinder 2 or 3, whatever that is, KV57. So it's pretty bad. But now we got these. Ooh, look at those. Those are for the Revo. Not my war room right now because we're getting ready to roll tomorrow, and I'm just slapping these on at the last minute. We just got them at the hobby store. So remember, always support your local hobby stores, guys. And we're going to take these up to Monte tomorrow. That's where I live, top of Monte Cristo. It's a snowmobile ground parking lot. And we're going to take these up and see what they'll do and have some fun. So let's check this out. I'm going to mount these up and I'll let you know what it looks like here in just a sec. Okay guys, check it out. These babies are bad. Traxxas 6.8, 3.5 to 3.8. Check that out. They're bad. Ooh. To the stock tire, look at the difference. Wow. X-Max is next. Okay, here we go, guys. Check that out. What do you think? Huh? Is that an upgrade? Or is that an upgrade? We're going to take this up to the snow tomorrow and to see what kind of damage it will do. So I like to call them Three Sisters. So there you go. Check that out. Huh? So, right on. Upgrade big time. Traxxas new. Part number 5672. Look at them babies. Oh yeah. Paddle tires. So hope you like. If you like, subscribe. So we will check you guys out on the mountaintop tomorrow.